In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location in Steam. If you've moved or you're temporarily living in another country, updating your store country makes your prices, currency, and taxes match where you actually are. Keep in mind, Steam only allows changes to the country you're physically in, and it confirms that during checkout with a local payment method. Start by launching the Steam client and logging into your account. Look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile name or avatar. From that menu, select Account Details. This takes you to your account dashboard, which is where Steam keeps all your billing and store settings in one place. On the Account Details page, scroll until you reach the Store Purchase History section. There, click Update Store Country. This is the central control for your store region. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Steam sometimes only surfaces this option when it detects you're eligible, and it can also appear later during the checkout process. Next, choose the country that matches your current physical location from the drop-down. This must be where you are right now. Depending on the country, Steam may ask for extra details like your state, province, or city. Enter those accurately, because they can affect currency display and applicable taxes. After this change, you'll notice prices are shown in the local currency, and some game availability may differ based on regional catalogs and regulations. To complete the update, add any game or item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Use a payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal, that's registered in the new country. The billing address and account details on that payment method should match the country you selected. This is how Steam verifies the change and applies it to your account. If you're using PayPal, make sure the PayPal account is set up for that country as well. As you move through checkout, Steam will validate your location and payment information, and that process finalizes the country update. If something doesn't line up, you'll be prompted to correct the details before you can proceed. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up: avoid using VPNs, as they can interfere with verification and may block the change. If the store doesn't immediately reflect the new country or currency, give it a moment or restart the client and check your cart again. That's it. Thanks for watching.